Welcome to AutoDrive Hub. In today's video, we're looking at 10 exciting cars and SUVs expected to arrive in 2026. From rugged off-road machines to luxury SUVs and futuristic family vehicles. Let's get started. The 2026 Nissan Terra brings a tougher and more muscular design. A bold chrome grille, sharp LED headlights, and high ground clearance highlight its strong off-road personality. Inside, a 12.3-inch infotainment screen and a practical driver-focused layout keep everything simple and easy to use. Under the hood, it's expected to feature a 2.3-liter twin-turbo diesel engine, producing around 190 to 200 horsepower and 450 newton-meters of torque. Estimated price, $40,000 to $50,000. This compact off-roader carries classic Land Cruiser DNA with a boxy design, round LED headlights, and serious off-road capability. Expected engine options include a 2.7-liter petrol or 2.8-liter diesel engine with proper four-wheel drive and low-range gearing. Estimated starting price, $32,000 to $38,000. The 2026 Subaru Forester becomes tougher and more refined. It features a clean SUV design, large 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen, and a spacious, family-friendly cabin. Power comes from a 2.5-liter engine with around 182 horsepower, paired with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system. Expected price, €32,000 to €35,000. The Toyota Stout returns as a compact pickup truck designed for both work and daily use. Engine options may include a 2.0-liter petrol, a 2.4-liter turbo engine, and even a hybrid system producing up to 230 horsepower. Estimated starting price, $28,000. The 2026 Subaru Outback keeps its iconic wagon SUV design, but adds sharper styling and improved comfort. Engine choices include a 2.5-liter boxer engine with 182 horsepower or a 2.4-liter turbo engine producing about 260 horsepower. Expected price, €38,000 to €40,000. The Lexus LX 800 represents the top of luxury SUVs. It features a bold spindle grille, premium leather interior, advanced technology, and powerful engine options expected to deliver close to 500 horsepower. Estimated price, $120,000 to $150,000. Toyota is also preparing a motorhome designed for travel and adventure. Inside, you'll find a fold-out bed, kitchen, seating area, and smart storage solutions, turning it into a compact home on wheels. Expected engine, 2.8-liter diesel producing around 200 horsepower. Estimated price, €65,000 to €75,000. The Baby Defender brings the iconic Defender design into a smaller, more affordable SUV. It is expected to offer 2.0-liter turbo petrol and diesel engines, producing up to 300 horsepower, along with advanced terrain response off-road systems. Estimated price, €45,000 to €50,000. The Toyota Hardtop 4x4 continues the legendary rugged design with a boxy body and serious off-road capability. Engine options may include a 2.7-liter petrol and 2.8-liter diesel engine producing nearly 500 newton-meters of torque. Expected price, $45,000 to $55,000. Finally, the Chevrolet Bel Air could return with a modern interpretation of its classic American sedan style. Expected engines include a 2.5-liter turbo, producing around 300 horsepower, and possibly a 3.6-liter V6 for stronger performance. Estimated price, $38,000 to $45,000. Those were 10 exciting vehicles expected to arrive in 2026. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow AutoDrive Hub for more future